1 month, 10 days ago. And I didn't. And I'm just grateful, I guess, to have this place. And that's all.
I don't have a remote.
Okay, Gabby.
She wants to.
Oh.
Come on.